Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Okay, we're looking at Bitcoin. Got this open on the 4-hour chart. What I might do is go out to the weekly, just do a really quick top down. So the bias for me for the week is bearish, obviously. So we opened here, pushed up, trapped long traders in, and then of course they traded down and we got a bearish week. So my bias is bearish. I'm looking for bearish opportunities. So with that established, down to the daily, and we have a bit of a diagonal thing going here. There's a couple of things about this. We've got this distribution level trades down and we have a price gap. Have a look at this candle here, this big red candle. Look left, okay, candle low on the left, candle high on the right, the current day. This is unresolved imbalance on the daily. So definitely a point of interest for me, or the whole range of interest, I guess. If we're looking to short this, we want to be a little bit careful because the market's going to be looking for two things. It's going to look to rebalance, to trade through gaps, and it's looking for liquidity. So with that in mind, if we go down to the 4-hour, we have also, okay, so see this distribution level up here, this range here. It sells off, and what we get then is this thin leg, or this thin candle through here. Candle left, low, the high on the candle right. 4-hour price gap. That's definitely something to be mindful of. The market is seeking two things. It's seeking to rebalance and it's looking for liquidity. Where is there liquidity resting? All down through here. All through here. Above this current range. It's ripe for the picking. Right where these gaps are. Okay, we have a liquidity pool. And it's already tapped up into it. I can see that, sure. This is the daily. And then we've got this 4-hour up here. I mean, my bias is short, but you want to be a little bit careful. So let's just have a look at it now on the lower time frame with this marked up. See what it looks like, say, on the 30-minute. A couple of things here. We have had this pretty significant move up into here, and then it trades off. But it's not really giving me anything after this volatility. Okay, it's been ranging through here. So let's just mark up the range. So we get this range, probably even pull it through there, or even go candle bodies if you like. I just want to pick up where we see more than one touch through here and through here. So this is the body of this range that I'm interested in. What happens through here is it's really not doing much apart from sucking in retail traders. That's me as well as everybody else. I mean, I'm not involved here, and it's building liquidity above here. So I'm super cautious at the moment. With this range, we have liquidity pool resting above, ripe for the picking. Now, we've had a bit of a tap into it here. I'm interested in shorting this, but we have this. I mean, even though we did spike up here, I'm really cautious about that and reluctant to get involved. You know what I want to see? I want to see, before I do get involved with this, let me just clear that, grab my pencil again. I would like to see, my bias is short. What I would like to see would be whatever it does, up or down, blah, 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 but then I want to see it spike up. I want to see it push up with a vengeance, roll over, and I mean, hopefully tap into that. That would be ideal. Roll over and give me a reason. Right? It could do that. Trades up, but I want to see that. I want to see a strong push, something like this push here. I kind of want to see that above this range. So it's attacking buy side liquidity, resolves these gaps, and then it starts to fall off. That would be a great level to get involved at a discount, and then ride it all the way home. So I mean that's my plan with this. That's my plan of attack. That's what I would like to see happen. What I will do is I'm just going to place an alert just up around in here. I just want to know if it trades up in here. That'll bring me into the chart. I'll be really interested to see what happens I mean, if we get a push up in there, I'm interested. Something like that. And look, can it roll over here and, you know, dribble around and trade off? Sure, it can. I'll be happy to let it go if it does. Yeah, I mean, it's already had this spike up here. That might have been it. Here's another move. I mean, that could have been an entry, but I'm just uncomfortable with this price gap sitting up here. Quickly go to the 1 hour. I'll show you. Well, I mean, back out. We'll just go out to the 4 hour. Now, if you want to bring the Fibonacci into this, you know, that adds to the mix. Fib retrace. Yeah, it's a bit of a spike up. I mean, you could even go from this top, this high here, pull it down. What does it look like? 61 to 786. You know, my yellow zone up here. Well, that interests me. 50, that. So there's your 38. So that's from that point of view. And then if you pull it all the way, the 38, yeah, 38.2 pullback. You know, anywhere in between there, that could be a thing. Yeah, we haven't had that. So just watch out, guys. Don't go jumping in here willy-nilly. Be careful. But a decent pullback would get me interested. Anyway, with that, I hope you have a great day. By the way, join Discord. The link is below. I'm in there through the Asian session, London, and quite often into New York, which is probably a little bit crazy. But hope you have a great day. Safe trading. There's my idea on Bitcoin for the day.